Today we are looking at a 2021 Vanleigh RV Pinecrest 335 RLP. This fifth wheel is 36 feet 4 inches, weighs 11,000 pounds dry. GVWR is 13,995 pounds. This is a division of Tiffin Motorhomes. Vanleigh RV is a unique fifth wheel manufacturer. We optioned this unit with sterling silver cabinetry and a light gray Dove furniture. For pricing and availability, please call us at 281-765-5110. Making the exceptional affordable. There is a first time for everything, but you don't have to give up anything when buying your first Vanleigh. Pinecrest models have it all. The stunning interiors and meticulously craftsmanship found in every RV we sell. Backed by attentive customer service travelers have come to expect from our family-owned company. All this innovation and luxury at a price that fits your budget. Here are some of the standard features that come on a Pinecrest. A T60 fiberglass, strongest fiberglass in the industry. TPO roof versus a rubber roof. Real wood doors, handcrafted in-house. Real wood fascia headers, handcrafted in-house. Real wood fascia legs, handcrafted in-house. Solid wood drawers and drawer fronts. Solid surface island countertops. Motor home decor. Residential Franklin furniture with electric head and footrest. Window and galley. Residential fridge with 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter. 4-point electric auto level system versus electric scissor jacks, and tons of extra options. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Have a great day.